Alrighty, folks, welcome to week 12. I'm going to quickly go over your assignments for this week. So the first one I want you to check out is the 3.6 Making Holes PowerPoint. This PowerPoint goes over the different types of holes that you can have and then hole notations. And then there is a worksheet that goes along with that. So you'll use the PowerPoint to help you fill out the worksheet, and I will go over some of it in class. So I recommend you print this out if you want, but you can definitely just type this in, type in the information on the computer. So I take back what I said. I recommend that you just type in your information because you can't turn in a handwritten copy to me. So you'll just have to retype it anyway. But here's the worksheet. You're going to use that PowerPoint to help you figure out the different types of holes. So we're going to talk about counterbore, countersink, simple holes, through holes, all sorts of stuff like that. And then with that, you'll have 2 drawing assignments just like last week. This time you'll be practicing your drawing holes as well. So here's the sketch, here's the drawing, isometric. I want you to give me the isometric and on shape and then create a multi-view drawing. You'll make sure that it's in a border and title block and you'll dimension it. You'll save the file, you'll share the file in on shape with our team and then submit a screenshot. So we'll be talking about what all these things mean and how you put them in and stuff like that. So you'll have 2 of those drawings. So that's the first one. Here's the second one. All of the dimensions are there. If they aren't, let me know and I'll fill you in on what's missing. I'm like 90% sure they're all there. I take that back. I'm 99% sure they're all there. But those are the 3 things we're working on this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me a Schoology message or you can ask me in class. Otherwise, I will see you guys later. Hope you have a great week.